So we're gonna jump right into the video. Right here I have a wire wreath that I got from Amazon. I also got these LED lights. I got them in daylight white, but you can get them in any other color that you want. I got these white zip ties, and I also got this duct tape that's aluminum so it can reflect the light. If you don't have any of this duct tape, you can just use aluminum foil. It works just as well. Now what you're seeing me do is to wrap the duct tape around the wreath. And if you had aluminum foil, you would do the same exact thing. Just wrap it around. Make sure it's secure in the back. If you need tape, put tape on there. But I'm just showing you how I wrap it. So we're putting the lights on the inside of the wreath. So you want to make sure that it's very smooth so the lights will be able to stick. Okay, this is what it should look like after you're done. And right now I'm showing you what I got in the LED light box. Right here are the lights with the adhesive strips in the back, a power supply, a dimmer, and other little things that come with it. I'm not sure what these are. Okay, now I'm showing you a slowed down version of how I put the LED lights on there. I take the adhesive off, I put them on there, and I make sure I smooth them out so that they can stay on there and they can stick really, really well. You also want to make sure that you leave that little cord out so you'll be able to plug it into the wall, because if you put it inside of it, you won't be able to get to it to plug it in. My wreath was 16 inches, but if you have one that's bigger than mine, what you're going to do is make sure you space out the LED lights. But if you have one smaller, you want to make sure that you compact them. You make sure they stay together. The adhesive on the back didn't seem like it held up enough, so what I did was add tape all around so that it would stay. I also taped that little red piece y'all see to the back because it was no longer needed. This is how the lights look once they're plugged in. Now I'm going in with my zip ties. I'm connecting them together because mine was very small. But what you're going to do, you're going to connect them if they're small, and you're going to put them around your tripod so you can connect the ring light to it. After you secure the ring light on, you want to make sure that you cut the ends of it. They're really sharp, so make sure you don't hurt yourself. Now I'm showing you how the ring light looks in action. This right here is the dimmer, and this is how my room looks naturally, but this is how it looks with the ring light turned all the way up.